Hello everyone, Sai Ram. Welcome back to the online class. Today, in a science session, we are going to start a new lesson. The lesson name is Light, Sound and Force. That is lesson number 11. Okay, and this is part 1. So children, before we start, I am going to ask you one puzzle. Okay, and you have to guess. So children, guess who am I? I am round in shape. I give you heat and light. I am a hot ball of fire. You can see me in the sky during day. Guess who am I? Yes children, guess. Who gives you heat and light? Yes, I am the sun. So children, today we shall learn about light. You already know we cannot see when it is dark. Light help us to see things clearly. Okay? And now tell me, where do we get this light from? Yes, we get the light from the sun, right? In the daytime, we get light from the sun. We get natural light from the sun. And in the night, there are the other stars that gives us light. We need light to see things. The things that gives us light are called sources of light. Okay? The sun is the most important source of light. Sun is the natural source of light. So remember children, things that give out light are called sources of light. For example, sun, lamp, candle, bulb and fire. But is this light sufficient for us? No. We need other sources of light too. Okay? Other than sun, we get light from the electric lamps, candle flames, bulb. Okay? So children, now tell me, have you ever seen an insect that glow in the night? It is called a glowworm. Okay? A living thing such as a glowworm which produces its own light is also a natural source of light. But the amount of light produced by it is very small. So children, this glowworm is also a natural source of light. Yes, these are some sources of light. Now tell me, what is the difference between the sun and an electric bulb? Yes, tell me children. The sun is the natural source of light and its light cannot be controllable by us. We cannot control the light of the sun. We cannot switch it on or off, right? Bulb can be turned on or off, right? These are the man-made sources such as electric bulb, then candle, then fire. These are man-made sources of light, okay? Or we can say the artificial sources of light. Most of the objects do not have their own light. For example, humans, table, pen and etc. These things do not have their own light. So we need other sources of light to see these things. Yes. Now what about the moon? You know that moon gives us light in the night, right? But do you know that moon does not produce its own light? Yes, moon does not produce its own light. It looks bright because of the light of the sun. Moon gets light from the sun. Sunlight falls on the moon. That's the reason moon looks bright. Okay? So children, sun is the only natural source of light. We get heat and light from the sun. As you know that things that gives out light are called sources of light. All other are the man-made or indirect source of light. I told you examples also. Now you tell me the examples, children. Which are the man-made or indirect sources of lights? Yes, examples are candle, bulb, fire, then torch, okay, then diya, then tube light and many more. Okay, some of them uses fuel such as coal, gas, oil or wood, or while some of them uses electricity. Okay, some of them uses electricity, some of them are uses fuel, right? So children, light is very important for us. You can see things only when there is a light, right? Plants can make food only with sunlight. This we have already learned in our lesson number 8, right? So plants uses sunlight to make food. So children, now tell me, why we can clearly see things in a daytime? Yes, tell me. Yes, because in a daytime there is enough light to see things. Okay? Now, tell me, can you see book kept on the table in a dark room? Can you see the book kept on the table in a dark room? Are you able to see it clearly? No. But why? Tell me why. Yes, it is because of the light. Yes, without light we cannot see anything around us. Okay? Yes. Now, light always travels in a straight line. Yes, light always travels in a straight line. How can we say this? Yes, let's do an activity to understand this. Take a candle and light it, okay? And take a straight hollow pipe. Point its one end of the lighted candle and look through the other end of the pipe. Do you see the light at the other end? Yes, you try this, okay, children? Yes, you can able to see the light from the other end. Yes. Now take a curved pipe. Okay, can you see that second pipe in the picture? Yes, take a curved pipe. Now look through this curved pipe. Do you see light? Can you see the light at the other end? No, you would not see any light at the other end of the tube. Why? Now tell me why. Why we cannot see light in this curved pipe? Yes, it is because light travels in a straight line and light does not bend. It can only be blocked. Okay? Light does not bend. Okay? So here light is blocked. Person not able to see the light of the candle. So children, there are some objects that allow the light to pass through them. while some do not allow the light to pass through them. For example, the book, wood, chair, etc. These objects does not allow the light to pass through them. Even human beings also does not allow the light to pass through them. Okay? Yes. Some objects allow some light to pass through them. For example, a frosted glass, then colored balloons, then colored water bottle. These objects allows only some light to pass through them. Okay? Yes. Then some objects allow light to pass through them. They are called transparent objects. Okay? For example, a cleared water. Okay? A clear water can allow the light to pass through them. We can clearly see fishes in the water. Okay? Yes. Then clear glass. Okay? You can see the clear glass. So light pass through that glass. Okay? And then the magnifying glass. Okay? Light can pass through the magnifying glass. Okay? So children, this is all for today. I hope you understand. Today we have learnt about light and sources of light. Okay? Now I shall meet you in the next science session. Till then, take care and thank you.